Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by creating a new sheet or opening the file you need. This establishes context and formatting defaults. Next, import data. Choose File Import, pick CSV or Excel, and verify delimiters so columns map correctly. Once done, set the sheet locale and time zone to ensure dates and currency parse as intended. Make sure number formats, %, currency, date, match your source because correct parsing prevents errors in later formulas and sorting. Now you clean and structure the sheet so calculations are reliable. First, normalize columns. Split text to columns, trim whitespace, and remove duplicates to avoid mismatches. Then build structure. Create clear headers, freeze the top row, and name key ranges so formulas are readable. After that, add filters, conditional formatting to highlight outliers, and data validation to prevent bad entries. These steps reduce manual errors and make later analysis faster and more maintainable. Finally, run analysis and automate repetitive tasks. Build formulas, query, filter, XLOOKUP, or index plus match to combine and summarize data. These are more robust than manual copies. Create pivot tables and charts for quick insights, and record or write apps script macros to automate exports or updates. If results look wrong, check ranges and cell formats and step through formulas to find mismatched types. One key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.